Then we didn't ask this morning, now we know for sure. Okay.
Woo!
Speaking of heat and cooling down.
Jamaicans make big splash at the second champs. Better last year's medal haul. So the 31st Central American and Caribbean Swimming Confederation Championships in Aruba. 30 medals
Wow.
after 5 days of competition. Superb performances, we're told. A lot of fast times. And bettered last year by 7. We had 23 last year. They also improved their 9th place finish from last year to 7th with 393.5 points.
Yay!
There you go.
Go J.A.
Last year we ended with 304 points. So we did better with the medals, we did better with the points, but we didn't make the top 5.
We're getting there.
We are getting there, aren't we?
So Emily McDonald, Sabrina Lynn, Gabriana Banks, Jessie Marsh, Nicholas Vale were among those hitting B qualifying standards for the Youth Olympic Games, which will be held later this year.
That's great.
So that's great. Fantastic. Well done, team.
Yep, we're doing really well.
We are indeed proud of you guys.
What else?
Boy, excitement looking to reign again, eh? Cartel back on stage. His appeal gets underway today. Lawyers for popular entertainer Vybz Kartel are contending that the judge who presided over his murder trial erred when he allowed prosecutors to use text messages and video evidence collected from his cell phone.
Oh, you pronounce it erred or erred?
To err is human. Err?
Erred.
I think it's either, actually. So they're back in court today,
Yep.
to see if they can get, I guess, the, decision, the verdict.
Yeah, apparently they pointed
overturned.
to evidence presented during the trial that one of the phones was used several times while it was in the custody of police investigators. They charged too that the evidence of tampering was uncontroverted and unexplained.
Pass it, Landale.
Justice was also faulted for allowing video evidence from the phone to be used as evidence. The video evidence was highly prejudicial and of little, if any, probative value. So if one knows that.
Probative?
Probative, yeah. All right.
Okay, so that's on today. We can look out for that. What we cannot look out for, and we're grateful, is Tropical Storm Beryl. She did sweep over Dominica on Sunday night, then dissipated, easing the threat to other Eastern Caribbean islands, recovering from last year's deadly hurricanes. So Dominica got a taste of already I think something else has formed though. What is it, Chris? Tropical storm Chris formed off the Carolinas. Hurricane Center said it was likely to grow into a hurricane today while staying offshore. It wasn't projected to directly threaten land over the next few days, though forecasters said it could kick up dangerous surf and riptide. So we'll listen out for Chris over the next couple of days. This year don't look like...
No, man.
Spundy.
That is not this year.
Yes, sir? This is what you give me to use. This
That
look
is
like
the,
it
that
will
is the
take
liner
off.
one. That is the one that they use as the liner. Yeah, man, let's see.
This is it. What do you mean it's just a liner?
No, remember like up here, them have one of them where them just do the little lining.
So why can't I just use that to do everything?
No, because, no, this is not it. Only not, and this first time this look like it's shaped somewhere else but people's head. And I may not play that. No, this just don't.
Like where?
No, I will call my barber. He will come on Friday and show you what to do. Very simple. All right, fair enough? Huh?